What you say, what you say, what you say, YouTube? Mr. BP coming back with a little market meltdown update. Let's make sure we are live. We are live. And what do you know? Finally some justice. These scumbag social media influencers getting people into Discords and Telegram and stuff like that and just cleaning their clocks just because they don't know better. They're finally, the wheels of justice grind, but they grind slowly. So these guys are going to get it, and there's a lot more to come, and I can't be happier. This stuff needed to happen a long time ago. It just took this long to do it, but as long as it gets cleaned up, might take us a while. It's better for the space, and it'll clean up crypto's image. This is stock related, but stocks were getting to be in the mania meme hype. It was getting crypto level. So I'm glad this is happening. So let's jump into some charts. GBTC it held the line today. What about that? Held the line. Holding right now at 830. Actually, this is a daily chart. I like using the daily chart. But you saw a lot of buying. But it's critical that this holds. I think right now it's around $8,300 a Bitcoin. So it's critical that GBT holds this line. If not, if it breaks this line, I would probably guess Genesis or something like that's probably going to go under. Speculation on my end, not financial advice, but that would spell there's some trouble brewing, in my opinion. Let's look at the Dow. What we talked about the last time. Looky there. She's on her way to retest this line. Let's see if it holds. Look at that. NASDAQ broke its flag. S&P is coming down to our point we've talked about. Right, I say we'll catch a little bounce here. Kind of level it out, drop another floor, level out, drop another floor. Got plenty of room to the downside. And as this stair steps down, it should keep kind of resetting the RSI a little bit. But yeah, and we talked about this the other day, right? Either this was a huge fake out, somebody was lying, the DXY or the S&P. And look at that. Look who's probably going to break out tomorrow. VIX filled that gap, on its way. Coinbase breaking its flag. Next target, and it might come down, but I think this is the target. $10, $11. And guys, please don't shy, and girls, please don't be shy. Comment, live chat's going. If you want to ask a question or whatever, ask away. I'll try my best, dead level best to answer it. Subscribe. I got a giveaway video. Go comment on it. That's all you got to do. You just got hi or whatever, and you can have a chance to win $500. Easy. Subscribe. Go to the video. Comment. That's it. Meta Got rejected up here after it filled the gap. Let's see what it does next. Robinhood. Oh. Tesla. Yeah, boy. What Elon dumped
to get
$3 billion
wrecked, son.
Oof. Rough. Amazon. Ooh. Could be bad. The Google target right here. Come on down, son. That was like the easy. This, if you bought a put on this was just like a layup. Thank you for the money. Let's see if she gets down here. All right, let's jump into some crypto. Bitcoin, I'm still withholding judgment. I'm trying to be as unbearish and unbullish as possible and see what this thing plays out. So I want to see if this is a bear flag and it plays out. I want to see the next level of support. This thing had several fake out. So I know charts are a pattern of people's emotions. However, this time is different in the aspect of people had more cash. Now that's disappearing, but the moves should be, in theory, greater than it was last time. So that's, I still think 7,500 to 10.5 is that bottom area. Be nice if we could get down to that 8,500 GBTC holds. Bitcoin goes down there and then they kind of get back into sync and then kind of calms the markets. That would be really nice. So we'll see. I'm still in that area, and I think if you can get it there, I don't really think it matters in the long term. If you're looking to flip something, probably want to do a little bit more due diligence. But if you're simply going to, like I do, I take very few trades. If I see it as a good value for my money, my perceived value, not necessarily yours, my perceived value, I'll buy it, put it in a cold wallet, go on with it. Ethereum, it is kind of playing out like it did here. The moves are just exaggerated due to the liquidity in the market. But yeah, I see us testing 727 first, and then it'll start moving forward, and you'll hear people on Twitter and stuff like that saying accumulation, it's accumulation period, accumulation. I don't think so on alts. The next move, if BTC has a move and we haven't finished that started that accumulation phase, next move up, BTC dominance should crank, and then the alts will just go into that slow, boring accumulation. Be nothing going on. There'll be some people building. If you research and look at their discords and stuff like that, there are good projects that are building and have decent use case. The vast majority of them, trash. Um, AVAX. I like AVAX, but it's fulfilling its destiny. It's got a date with $4 or $3.50 or something. Yeah, $4.50. GMX. Dang it. Coming back up here, broke down from this trend line. Looks like it tried to get back in there. I think ultimately we come down and test these lows, and then I will go bonkers. Matic broke down a little bit. We'll see if that holds. It's got plenty of room for the downside, and as to plan, Dot doing the same. It's just hugging it. There's my target, 350. A0. I think this is a little fake out. I think it's coming down. But let's keep an eye on this one. See if it bounces up here and it's able to consolidate on this line. Then we might get a pump up. Never be closed-minded. And I see a lot of people that are bearish, and what happens is they get in that mindset, and it becomes a bias, right? Confirmational bias of to the downside or to the upside. You always want to keep an open mind and don't get emotionally attached to the tokens you have. Near, same thing. It's going to finish its move. Still under 50 cents. ADA, hugging it. I think it actually broke. It's on its way. Let's look at this ADA. I got one at 20 cents and the other at, 9 cents or something. Flow. 60 cents, 70 cents. Quant. Look at that. Look at that, son. But yeah, like, and a lot of this stuff too, if you want to learn like pattern trading, tons of stuff for free. You don't have to pay anybody or join a course or anything like that. 31.74. Holding it, but I think we'll still see $3. ICP. Yep. Quick swap. Ergo. Yep. That's the ultimate call right there. BNB. You got nowhere to run, nowhere to hide. You going to smash and eat some dirt. This thing is cooked. I say that right? I don't know. There's some big player out there might come and dump $500 million or something like that to pump it up. Who knows? But right now, it's on its course. And when ETH drops, the rest of them will follow. KuCoin on its way. $1.94. Aave. I think we come down here and retest those old lows. $31. $32. But yeah, gang, all this stuff was as expected. I hope if you did listen, you didn't FOMO in the other day when everything was pumping. Bitcoin pumped right in that little bull flag we talked about. Um, got rejected and it's coming back down. And I think we'll probably see that capitulation, um, or we get a better idea of where we're going, probably within the next week. Um, but there's really not a whole lot to talk about. Nobody on the chat. So with that being said, I'll see everyone tomorrow. Be careful if you're out there. And just wait till your targets are hit. Go out and have a good time. Come back in the afternoons, do a quick check, but don't stand in front of the charts. I don't. I set this stuff, I set alerts, and I have buy orders set, and so I set it and forget it. So with that being said, everybody have a great night.